Hi everyone, I'm Jake from Auto News channel.
In this video today, I want to share with you the brief overview about all-new Suzuki Jimny. The all-new Suzuki Jimny now has even more functionality and practicality on both its experience and performance. Even since the first Jimny made its debut in April 1970, it has been the masterpiece of Suzuki's four-wheel drive technology. It is the one and the only authentic off-roader that is small and lightweight, but still retain the off-road performance designed by professionals. Now, let's watch the car together, and don't forget to subscribe to support our channel. Thank you.
The beauty of simplicity and off-road functionality are both realized with its robust exterior. Its strong square body expresses its off-road ability and robustness, as well as contribute to the driver's situational awareness. The more upright A-pillars and flat clamshell bonnet enhance visibility from the windshield, while the dipped driver and passenger window lines expand visibility from the side windows. The front grille is simple and black, highlighting the round signature headlamps, with 15-inch dark metallic alloy wheels accentuating the strong exterior even more. Other exterior features include the drip rails on the roof edges, which prevent water ingress into the cabin when opening or closing a door. Straightforward, practical and down-to-earth, every detail is carefully crafted to realize a beautiful yet functional interior. The handsome black interior is without excessive colors or decoration to minimize distraction and lets the driver concentrate on maneuvering the vehicle. The horizontal lines defined by the instrument panel, and the vertical lines characterized by the meter cluster and center console panels help the driver recognize the angle of the vehicle in rough and mountainous terrain. Everything surrounding the driver and front passenger is built for professional use. Crafted for carefree dependability, the instrument panel and surrounding parts have a scratch and stain-resistant grained finish, and the grip and switches are easy to operate so that it can be handled in off-road conditions as well as while wearing gloves. The meter setting cubic housings are always lit up for clear viewing on and off-road when the vehicle often passes between sunlit and shaded areas.